Hi everyone, it's Morgan from For Love of Paper, and I am here with a traveller's notebook art journal type of page for scrapping fun kits. I am using the what month are we? The May kit to do this little layout. And as I said, it's a bit art journal-y, and it's in my traveller's notebook that I have been using. The notebook is from the Basics kit. I'll leave a link to Scrapping Fun Kits below, where you can grab yourself a kit. And yeah, this is a really good one. I love the colours of this, and also this month we are supporting a couple of causes which are very near and dear to Raylene's heart. So I will leave information to those on the blog post that will be going up this morning as well. So I'll leave a link to that blog post below so you can see all the details for those special causes and charities that we are supporting this month. So as you can see, this background piece was just absolutely stunning. I love this piece of paper. It's probably one of my favorites out of all of the kits, I think. I just loved it. And it's quite a little bit grungy, a little bit mixed media-y. So I decided to add some stencil work on top of this one. So I got out my opaque texture paste, and then I mixed in a little bit of black gesso. And this stencil, I can't remember where the stencil was from, but it kind of fitted with the paper that came in the kit, so I thought it worked really well. And I just used this texture paste mixture and basically covered the whole thing across the middle of my page, and I thought it was really cool. It's got kindness, life, remember, and that fits really well with the other words. We've got warrior and strength in the little wood veneer pieces, and I popped them on my page. I thought it all worked nicely together. And then I got out a few sprays. I think these are both from Delusions, or I think that one's from Tattered Angels. They're kind of a bluey green colour to match the background. And then I start putting down some embellishments. So this layout did not take me long to complete. I think all up it was about 12 minutes. And that included using the heat gun to dry my my texture paste as well. So it was not very long at all. Just because everything just fit together really well. So I used that big floral piece with beautiful in the middle of it. I used that and one of the butterflies down in that bottom left corner. And then I add some washi tape over to the right, and I use this butterfly washi in the bottom right, and then in the top left I just trim that down. And then I also use the black chevron, but I didn't want a really big chunky wide fat piece on there, so I ended up cutting it in half lengthwise, which you'll see me do here, just to give a thin strip of washi along the bottom. And then I think I decided I didn't want the butterflies covered up. So I peeled that piece up and stuck it back down again. As you do. You can always fix up a mistake. That's the beauty of scrapbooking and art, I suppose. You can always cover it up with something else. Sticker, paper, washi tape even. And so this one here I wanted even thinner again. So I cut that half in half, so it was a quarter, and just popped that under the other piece of butterfly washi tape up the top. And then I realized that I'd ripped the page, but that's okay. I smoothed it back out and stuck it back down. I think I pop a little bit of glue into there as well. Yeah, there we go. Just stick that glue. And it's all good. And then another butterfly up in this top right corner. And I think I got some sequins out. No, not yet. Yes, I did. Get these sequins out. And I think these were from a past Scrapping Fun kit. I'd mixed them all in. This tube did have sequins in it once upon a time, and I don't know what company that was from, and I had a few left over, and then I've just put other sequins that we've got in kits in there as well. So it's a bit of a mixture. And I just pop them under the butterfly to make like a little trail under the butterflies. And then I think I stuck down my wood veneer. Now I do end up using both pieces of wood veneer on this, but I stuck one down while I was filming, and then I did the other one once I was finished, because, you know, so Warrior went there, and I do put the strong up in that top corner, which you'll see in the still photos later. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want to catch more videos, and check out Scrapping Fun Kits with the link below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.